Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear browsing data on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Of course, the method to clear the browsing data depends on the browser that you use. So in this video I'm gonna show you two examples. The first one is the MI browser that is installed by default, and the same goes with the Google Chrome browser that is also installed by default, and sometimes people use this one or the other. So let's get right into it. First of all, I'm gonna show you the MI browser. In order to clear the data, you need to press this person icon over here in the bottom right corner, then go to the settings here at the top, and then if you scroll down, you will find clear data option. You want to go over here and then choose clear all. Of course, if needed, you can also just choose what you want to remove. For instance, if you want to only remove cache, then you can select cache, and then you will remove all items cached during the browsing. The same goes with saved passwords. And if you want to, you can clear everything by selecting clear all. And there we go. This is how we can do that. Now, if you use Google Chrome instead, then in this case, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots, and then choose delete browsing data. Now over here you can choose the period. You can choose to, for instance, delete everything from the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And then you can also go to more options in order to choose what you exactly want to remove, whether it is the browsing history, the cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and so on and so forth. Over here you can also once again choose the time range, and then you can press delete. And there we go. This is how we can clear browsing data on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!